How to recover deleted chat on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To recover the deleted chat on your Instagram, you can head over and tap open your Instagram application. Over here, make sure to log in into your Instagram account. If you have not yet, just go ahead and enter your credential. After you do that, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Then head over and click on the three horizontal line. Then you need to click on Account Center. Once you are in your Account Center, under Account Settings, click on Your Information and Permissions. Then locate the option of Download Your Information. From here, click on Download or Transfer Information and select on your Instagram and tap on Next. After that, just click on some of your information so that you can filter it out. What files do you wish to download? So you can go ahead and locate the chat option, or if you wish to, you can just click on all available information. Then click on download the device. Lastly, make sure to select on the format as HTML, then tap on create files. Mind it, the file might take a while to create, but once it is created, Instagram will notify you. After that, you can easily download it and check out your deleted chat. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.